Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add developer tab in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel workbook. So as you can see, we have some tab here, Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout, and so many. But we don't have a developer tab. So I'm going to add developer in the ribbon. Okay. Now all I have to do is go to the File menu and click on Option. Now from this window, click on Customized Ribbon. Now look, here is the Developer tab. Now simply check mark here and click OK. There you go. Now we have the Developer tab. That's for today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.